Hey guys, it's JD from Pawn's Little World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing these earbuds made by Anker. Now these are the Liberty Air 2 Pro, and you can find these on Amazon. Links will be down below this video, and it is $130 on Amazon, so quite a bit of money for these earbuds. I'm truthfully really excited to try them out. Now, as many of you know, if you've been watching the channel for any amount of time, my main earbuds have always been AirPods. These are the Series 2 with the wireless charging, and I love how they sound. Hopefully these here, again, they are the Liberty Air 2 Pro, the newest, as far as I could tell, the newest earbuds made by Anker, Soundcore, made by Anker, same brand pretty much. I believe these are the newest ones. Hopefully they sound as good as my AirPods, but I guess we'll see. Anyways, let's go ahead and start with showing you around the box. On the front here, you can see Soundcore by Anker. I think that's their line, Soundcore, and then Liberty Air 2 Pro, true wireless noise canceling earbuds. A little picture of what they look like here. Hybrid active noise canceling. We'll try that out, of course. Pure note technology. 26-hour total playtime. That's pretty nice. And it also has wireless charging, so that is really nice to see. And we will also try that out. You can see on the side just like a little picture here of how the driver is kind of put together, I guess. On the side here. Recommended by 10 Grammy-winning artists and musicians. That's pretty nice. And then on the back here, I'm actually just going to open up this little bag right around it here so you can see the back easier. And as you can see, of course, this is 100% new. Purchased off of Amazon just a couple of days ago. On the back here, Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro, active noise canceling right there. I mean, I'm really excited to try this out. I really want to see how it sounds. Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro included, along with the charging case, of course, different ear tips, and a USB-C charging cable. Very cool. Anyways, let's go in and open it up. Looks like it kind of folds out this way. Has a magnet. That's pretty cool. And there they are. Really nice box. I love how this is presented. Very, very nice. Of course, it's what you would expect for $130. I'm going to take this out here. And it looks like here is the case. It opens like that. Wow, that is weird. Very nice, though. Feels very good. Here is the actual earbuds themselves. Right there. Pretty small, I have to say. A little bit larger than AirPods. There's one of them. Kind of, actually, kind of smells like an Apple box. Whenever you get like a new iPhone or something and you open the box, it has a certain smell. It almost kind of smells like this, which is weird. Soundcore right there. We also have the USB-C charging cable. Very nice. And then we also have, looks like a little instruction booklet in here and many different ear tips. I really like how all this is laid out. I really, really like the packaging so far. So anyways, there it is. I guess what I'll do now is go ahead and pair these up to my phone, maybe give them a charge if necessary, and go ahead and see how they sound. All right, so I went ahead and gave these earbuds a listen, and let me tell you, I'm actually really, really impressed with them so far. So as I mentioned, I typically listen to Apple AirPods, so I'm pretty familiar with the sound quality of the AirPods, and comparing these to AirPods, which AirPods are obviously a lot more expensive than these, but these are actually pretty close to the sound quality of my AirPods. One thing that I do want to note, however, is that they're not quite as loud. They're pretty close, but they definitely don't get as loud as AirPods. However, these do seem to have more bass than AirPods, which I personally really like. I think the AirPods have enough bass as it is, but I would always be willing to accept more bass, and these definitely do deliver, so I'm really happy with that. And just overall, you know, general sound quality when these are up all the way, playing some pretty bass-heavy music. There was no distortion or anything. They sounded, truthfully, for the price, I'm really happy with these so far. They really seem to sound pretty good. And also the noise canceling, oh boy, that works really well. As some of you may know, I actually got a pair of AirPods Pros a while back, a couple months ago, And I was really excited to try those out because those were also noise canceling. And unfortunately, they broke the first day I had them because of a defect on them. But the noise canceling on those was pretty amazing, and these are not quite as good, in my opinion, as noise canceling on the AirPod Pros, but again, it's pretty close, and AirPods Pros are even more expensive than the normal Series 2. So far for noise canceling and also just overall sound quality, these are really fantastic for the price. Now these also have a app, the Anker Soundcore app, which I actually have downloaded on my current phone, which I'm filming with. So what I'm going to do is actually switch over phones and show you guys the app, which has an equalizer and a couple of other cool features. All right, so on to the Soundcore app. One thing that I really like about the app is originally it would ask you to sign up, and it actually has a skip button, so you don't have to make an account for these to work with the app, so that is pretty cool. Anyways, you can see here they are paired up. Liberty Air 2 Pro shows the battery level right there. Ambient sound, so we have normal, noise canceling, and also transparency mode. Normal mode is noise canceling off, which I've noticed that the normal mode doesn't really work that great. You still can't hear a lot of things. Also, transparency mode, that kind of uses the microphone, I guess, and plays it through the speakers so you can hear more. That seems to work all right. And then the noise canceling, that definitely does work because, for example, when you're in normal mode, I could kind of hear myself tapping on the desk here, and then in noise canceling mode, I really couldn't hear it at all. It's really cool. Let's go back here. We also have Hear ID and Equalizer. We could personalize the earphones here, which from what I could tell, this kind of, okay, you can see right here, kind of Hear ID maps your personal hearing sensitivity and multiple frequencies and analyzes the results. Okay, so pretty much it makes a custom EQ for you, so that's pretty cool. We also have an equalizer here. We have default, which I changed to a bass booster because I prefer a lot of bass. We also have Soundcore signature, which sounds pretty good, and a couple of other things here. Pretty nice. Let's go back here, and then we also have a custom EQ. You can see right there, you could change it if you want. So that is pretty nice. Let's go back here. We also have the, looks like over here we have controls. So you could control what each earphone does pretty much. So for example, on the left, double tap, you could change to have volume down, volume up, next, previous, play, pause, voice assistant, and ambient sound. That's pretty cool. And then we could also change the double tap on the right and also hold for 2 seconds right there. Bunch of different settings. So I really like these so far. They sound good. They look pretty good too. They are a bit bigger than AirPods, which I didn't like personally. Again, I think the size of AirPods are pretty much perfect. I think AirPods are pretty much perfect all around. For me at least. These are pretty perfect also. I really like that they have the app. You could change the equalizer, which I found really, really cool. And again, they also sound good, but they are a bit big. They do fit comfortably in your ears, of course. These ear tips that actually came on them, I didn't have to switch those out. Those actually fit in my ear perfect, which was pretty nice, and they fit in there very snugly. So overall, these Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pros, or whatever they're called, they're pretty good. I'm really happy with them. Again, they sound good. They look pretty good except for size, and I really like the app that's included. It's just really awesome. So overall, if you're looking for a solid pair of earbuds at a kind of expensive price, but in my opinion they're worth it, I would definitely consider these here. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.